Okay, here we are. The best part is I haven't even seen the charts today, really, except for this one. This one I saw. I keep track of this throughout the day, and let's see here. I gotta get over to it. I think this is the one that you can see. I think. Pretty sure. Let's have a look here. If I go up here and I'm working with a single monitor right now. How awful is that, right? Like, makes it very difficult. Okay, that's the right one. Okay, so here we go. This daily chart, I saw it occurring throughout the day. Whoa. Like this candle right here. That is an interesting candle to read. Funky little thing, huh? It's, what do you call this thing? It's got a name. I should have looked that up before I even got on. But if you know what it is, you should put it in the comments. I'll look it up here afterwards and I'll get familiar with it. Volume today below average, but that's because, of course, the volume was just fanatical on freaking the 9th of February. Um, you know, if you zoom out a bit, it's really actually dwarfed still by what happened back here at around $1, right? Oh, similar right here. But, here we go. Looks like we kind of touched this downtrend again almost, and the price didn't like that and ran away from it. It is, of course, red. We're closing within the prior trading day's range. It's small. It's very, very small. Let's zoom in a bit more here. And do I have a good intraday chart that I was looking at? I do. Let's talk about what happened versus what we thought might have happened. I'm looking for some sort of B wave through here, right? It's a triangle. What's super funny is I think there is a triangle, but I think it's backwards. Wave B is the worst. Okay. All right, so we're going to see if this makes sense. Boom, 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 boom. You see what I'm saying right here? This is actually, yeah, don't get confused. It's actually backwards. There's a touch point right here. And then this is like, okay, so what do we got? One. So is that the first one actually over there? One, two, three, four. I guess we don't have five unless we want to go further back, and then we easy one. Maybe we pull this in a little bit. Two, three. This was close. Four, five. Wow, this is a weird shape through here. That's wave B. Sure sucks. What was I thinking this morning was that this weird price action we got that started in after hours and before the market was open was it formed like this X. I thought I saw a pretty clean three-wave count through here until right here, and I was like, or until yeah, right here, this move made me think, gee, I bet you that this is actually X. This is a connecting wave. So we're going to get another, this would mark the halfway of this corrective cycle. And so what am I thinking? It's honestly going to be another day. Yeah, one more day of sideways grind before we actually get out of here. Now, if we see X, we're looking for A, B, and C in the other direction. All right, going to put that there. I'm going to move it over. And I'm just going to make everything like seriously 36 size font from here on out. So it's like visible. Save as default. Okay, I'm thinking that's A, right? And then I'm looking for a little B. We're going to see a C. Like, just another classic 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This being the halfway point right here. So we're just we're going to mirror this, and then we'll get a breakout. It'll be as pronounced as wave A was, I bet. And wave A, pretty good. Target 223. So I'm gonna just see here if I can get an idea of what this would look like. 226, yeah, $2.10. That makes sense, right? Look at that. Look at that. The measured move. Assuming that this after hours little drop matters. Let's look at AA. Let's go over there. Their day of sideways grind in Playboy is going to be choppy choppy. Be mentally prepared for that. Let's see. Daily? No. Intraday. We had. Oh, yeah, that's right. Wow, we had a day today in Alcoa Corp. That is nuts. This is crazy. I did take a peek at this, I recall. And I saw this big dump, and I thought to myself, look, of course, this is exactly what I was talking about. Don't enter a position right as price passes a level because it'll go down. You have to get the confirmation breakout. That is another higher high. And then price did, just douche. Nope, rejected again. And then, of course, then you see that corrective trend begin. And so we didn't get above our bullish continuation targets. We failed at them. Don't look at that yet. Price fell drastically, and we hit this target that we would have gotten from the A, B, and C on the minute wave degrees that you see labeled, making wave B probably actually ending over here somewhere. We got another extension in this funky looking correction. Wow. So A to B, and that makes the target a little higher if I actually include those peaks. Oh, nasty. Nasty. I liked it better back here still. That looked really good. I was expecting to see some support at 58.47 from that, and it was there. That's really good. Price then just buoyed back up. So what I was saying, if we got below 59.20, we'd get to 58.70 or see support there, right? But expecting choppy sideways, but not to the downside like this. I mean, now it's not. Okay, so this could be another WXY through here, A, B, C. Like, why do I think that it has to go through another level of correction here? Is because that's like a very simple pattern. A, B, C, X, A, B, C, and then we'll get a better idea. We're going to zoom out here, go out to the hourly, turn on some hourly charts. Do I have any of those going? Not really. Yeah, so we're looking for 63, 64, right? Interesting how this looks like A, B, and C right here. So I was thinking A, B, C, and this is X. Yeah. And then we have another like day of chop through here, and then we break out. What, sometime late this week? Yeah, we should expect a breakout. I expect a breakout before the end of the week here in Alcoa Corp. That was crazy to watch it swing like this. So it's making big swings. It's getting ready to make another big one, you know? And this is actually a big deal. Price is above 67.74. We're going to try again here. We're going to try again and see if we can get that confirmation. If we get another higher high off of this little, this tiny little pattern in here, like if we get above 61, that's going to look really good. Oh man, this thing's got legs. Look at that. RSI just getting super overbought. Look at the implied volatility. It's like this is a motive trend right here. Yeah, that's a motive wave. Freak. Because is it A, B, C, and then wow. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like, is this actually like a proper A? Oh my god, this is ridiculous. No, that's just gotta be like an A, B, and a C wave, and then an A, B, C with what is going on through here. This is a very complicated thing. Once you get to this point, I'm just trying to count it out in my head real quick, and it's just like, what? Man, look at that. It's very just much spinning. The price is just spinning on $60. Getting above 61, closing above there. We're trying to get there. We really are, but distribution is happening. at that level. So we'll see if that selling, buying. Let's see. What are we thinking through here? Let's turn on candles. This is a more liquid stock. Like, so the candles make more sense than in Playboy. Yeah, we got big green back here. Big green. Big green volume right there. That looks about right. I mean, look at that barcoding. That's not super, I don't know. Oh, is that because we're in after hours at some points? Or that happened during the trading day? This must be, yeah, closed. Market closed. Wow, so moving in after hours too now. Oh, it's making this move in after hours. That's super interesting when you see the price moving in like a technical way like that. Uh, before the market, so like trading gaps, like so maybe we get a breakaway gap. Is this thing gonna blow up all of a sudden? Oh man, that'd be cool. I think it is. And by blow up, I mean 63, 64. So let's get realistic here, but this is looking like it. This has a really, this is like really symmetrical. There's this weird thing about like these waves. They're like art almost in a way. Like you kind of like get a feel for like how the price is kind of just like, you know, mirroring itself. So as it looks like it's moving almost. It's really weird sensation. I think if you were to flip this over in particular, you could see there is definitely, we've got the tips of the ears of the cat right here, and it's got eyes. See right here. This is the eye. That's wait, what? That's an eye, and then that's an eye, and it's got a little fur in between the eyes, you know. So like that's a cat right there, and then maybe what I'll do, even make it even worse, is I'll then draw in the whiskers or the face a little bit here with the shoot. I can do it. Yeah. Yeah, flip that upside down. I think we got it. Maybe if I make it bigger too, that'll help. Does anybody else see the kitty? This is like a cat in profile. Anyway. All right, so this is exciting and fun. Um, anyway, this is supposed to be short, and I almost forgot, but I just wanted to like put something out there. So yeah, best of luck, and I'll just be like